This is a 6309 7049. It's all original, completely original to itself. It's never been restored. It's from June 1986. This watch was bought by the original owner when he began his service in the Navy, the United States Navy. And I have a letter from him as well as a photograph of him on graduation day when he was in the Navy. He joined up. He wore this through his entire career on board ships. And you can see it definitely lived his shipboard life. But the dial and hands are immaculate, immaculate. I haven't really been getting it up to speed here, but there it is. It's completely original. Case shows wear, but no abuse. It's got a few doinks. Only funky thing is right there. That is, he must have been near welder or been doing welding, because that's a little ball from welding that got stuck to the case. For me, I would just leave it. It's part of the story. It would cause more, it wouldn't go away if I got rid of it. Might as well just leave it there. So it's unrestored. It's a runner. It's fully functional. Original dial, hands and loom, unfaded brick red text. It's a really nice piece, and cleaned up and serviced, this will be just a fantastic wearer for somebody. And the person who buys it will get the letter and the photograph, so they have the history of the watch. Okay, thank you very much.